Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or turn on data saver on Messenger app. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you have limited internet data and want to save data while staying connected with friends on Messenger, then Facebook Messenger's built-in data saver mode will help you. This feature can save up to 40% of your internet data. And in this video, we'll show you how to do it, how to turn on or enable your data saver on Messenger. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Messenger app. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. Tap on the gear icon on here, on the settings. You can scroll down and on preferences section, you'll find option data saver. You can just tap on that. Now to turn off this feature, you can just tap on the toggle on here. You can activate the toggle. When your data saver on, click to download for image and videos when using mobile data is enabled. You can go back. Now your Messenger now is on data saver mode. So that is how to turn on data saver on Messenger chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.